Today we're focusing on the lowercase k. You come down, you say bump, and then you kind of kick it out. You start at the cloud line and kick it out, okay? 1, 2. Down, bump, kick, slide away. Uppercase K for reference. Please notice that the kick starts at the cloud line. Down, bump, kick it out, slide away. 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 Check it off. You may color your karate kicker, your person coming down the slide, sliding away, and your kitty cats at the bottom if you want. If you want to not color any of it, fine, cool, sounds good. It's up to you. But this is the end of our lesson for Handwriting Without Tears, page 48.